Aurora and Kyla in our messy lab. Let's get started. Today we will be making gloop with 2 ingredients. Cornstarch and
Water.
and water.
Alright.
Stop.
Alright, come on.
Go back to your seat.
Ready? You ready to mix it? Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna have some right there. Wait. Use your spoon. What is it?
Okay, can I do it?
Okay. Now pour it in the water. Wait, Kyla, wait.
Okay. Your turn. Wait, no, you can't do it. You can't do it.
You can do it.
Okay. Never mind.
Alright. That's enough. Stir.
Okay. You can do this at home with us. Oh, this is getting hard already. We're gonna start having to make it. Okay. If you don't know what gloop is, so basically it's a solid and a can I get some more? Basically it's a solid
Mix.
and a liquid. So it's a liquid and a solid. I don't know. I can't mix it. I need more water. Can you give me some more water? It stinks. So you might want to cover your nose.
This has don't do that. This has a lot of water in it.
I think you can mix it with your hands. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. So basically, look at this. It turned into a liquid. So watch this. Let me get this gnome out the way. Okay, I'm gonna make some. Look, I play with it and it's hard.
Crazy.
What do you do?
He's trying to put it in his mouth.
So look, it's solid. Then now it's a liquid, and that's part of science. And this is super cool. It's always cool to learn new stuff and figure out stuff.
His is still hard. What does that mean? His needs water?
Mine is all done. I need more cornstarch. All it is water. Wait, hold up.
Oh, it's so hard.
There's
Ew. That's gloop. Pick it up.
Try this at home. Like and subscribe for more fizzy fun with Aurora and Kyla.